We've got a tree tied off with a single line, and we come back to an anchor. In this case, it's a very large dogwood. We route through the pulley. It'd be 2 to 1 on that, but it's actually just a redirect for that. Right now it is.
So there's no mechanical advantage?
Not yet. But as soon as I anchor this rolling lock, or you could do this with a friction hitch, you simply roll this into there, take one of these pulleys, these pulley carabiners, and I take my tail of rope again from here, and I go through that pulley. The reason why I really like the rolling lock is because it's super compact. You got to yoke it up pretty far and start pulling that slack out. All right, now I've got a lot of slack. You want to make sure you have enough distance here that when, as you start pulling slack out of the rope, you don't bottom out. That would be when the rolling lock in your pulley collapses to here, and then then you're in trouble. But right here you got a lot of pull, and you're out of range of that tree. Okay, this is now a 3 to 1. Okay, because we've got we got a 2 to 1 on this, and then it's redirecting to that 1. That redirect right here is still a 1, a 1 right here, but we've now got a 2 to 1 on here, so now it's a 3 to 1. We went from a redirect, which gave us no mechanical advantage, to a 3 to 1 just by putting that extra pulley on the line. And the reason why it's not a redirect again is because it's anchored to the line. If this were anchored somewhere out there or on another post or something, then it would just be another redirect. And again, that's a 2 to 1 on this sling and on this tree. This is not experiencing 3 times your pull. All right, but at that point up there, the rolling lock is experiencing 3 to 1, 3 times your pull, and so is the tree itself. So anyway, there you go. That's the class. All right, 500i. I like this saw. Thank you, sir. I'll take it. See if I can get this without, and don't spit out. Give her a tug.